If your website feels slightly off, this is usually why, and the fix is simpler than most people think. It's not your colors, it's not your logo, and it's not your content, it's your structure. Most websites are built like collections, different sections added over time, without a clear order. But high-end websites aren't collections, they're sequences. They guide you, from the first line, to the next section, to the next decision, without you even thinking about it. That's what makes them feel effortless, and that's what most websites are missing. Here's how to fix it. Start with your first screen. Before someone scrolls, they should understand what this is, who it's for, and what to do next. If that's not clear, everything after it doesn't matter. Then look at your sections. Each one should lead into the next. Not repeat, not compete, lead. If you removed one section, the rest should feel incomplete. That's how you know there's flow. And finally, simplify. Most websites try to say too much. High-end websites say less, but they say it more clearly. This is exactly why structure matters more than design details. And it's also why starting from the right foundation changes everything. A well-designed template already includes that sequence, that flow, that clarity. You're not trying to build it from scratch. You're refining something that already works. That's exactly how our luxury Show It website templates are designed. They're built to feel structured and intentional from the start, so your website immediately feels more aligned with your level. And if you don't want to do it yourself, we also offer white glove website customization. We take one of our templates and build your entire site for you, so everything flows properly from the beginning. If your website feels off, it's rarely a big problem. It's this. And once you fix it, everything changes. You can explore our full collection of luxury Show It website templates below.